7 into morning. Gotta get going. I'll go wake up the other tents after I pee, because otherwise I might flood the tent. Rise and shine, women folk. Give me a yell if you're awake. Good morning. Oh, Hannah's awake. Oh, Tim's out there too. Hi, Tim. Ja, danke schön. I don't think that means anything. Now it's Fletcher's turn. He's already awake, but I gave him a couple minutes extra. No. Fletcher, time to get up. I'll give you 1 more minute. Okay, Fletcher, I'm back. Okay, I'm coming in there. I'm coming in.
We should all say
Everybody take a birch bark to offer after.
Say something you like about the plate too.
Are you going?
Yeah, I've been going this whole
Okay.
time. I like that you're brown. That you're the color.
No, restart. That's anti-hysterectomy or whatever it's called.
Hysterectomy?
I don't think that.
Against the, what's it called? Heretical? No.
Okay, I don't know what I'm
Against
gonna
the
say
church.
though.
heresy.
Heresy.
But not anti, just heresy.
Oh, okay, I got it. I like that you're made in Canada.
I like that you are resilient. I like that you can hold food.
I like that we don't have to carry you on the portage today.
I like that he liked you so much.
Oh.
I had this plate on my first canoe trip. And I put food on it, and I ate on it. And I brought it on every canoe trip after that. Until somebody used it as a lid!
I asked if it was okay, and you said yes.
And now it's broken. But just as this plate was a circle, I have a circle of birch bark, which I will burn with the plate as we sacrifice this plate to the sky.
I feel kind of dark in it.
Go away, guys. Look at the plate. It's not doing so good. But we spawned a toad somehow from it.
No.
Not by the fire.
Oh, it is so cute.
Can we see him? Hello.
A life jacket?
Okay, bye.
To the
We're about to leave.
site.
Bye, Laura. Hi, Tim. Fletcher fell and almost hit his head.
Timmy Rip it.
I crunched my body.
Timmy Rip it. Timmy Rip it. It's Timmy Rip it.
We found our portage, oops, and we're about to load up on Spugbury.
Guys, if I don't make it out alive, give my fishing rods to
Daniel.
Cameron.
Ah, dang it. Nice catch.
Well, you weren't
We are
close
gearing
enough
up for the portage of death. 1 mile-ish long. Be prepared for us to be not as happy when we get through the other side.
Burning.
Yeah, I'm gonna be hating my life and everyone here.
Okay, give us a smile now.
To wash them out.
And Fletcher after. Oh, he's actually
Well, I'm
surprisingly
happy because we
smiling.
were all just happy, so. I'm happy it went well.
I'm sweaty. Laura's sweaty. Katrina's probably sweaty.
It went a lot better than I thought it
Cameron's
was.
dead.
Okay, so we are survivors. Don't mind how disheveled I look. But we have arrived. You're what?
Definitely minding right now.
Me too.
You know what? Shit.
Just a little nicer, look a little nicer.
Getting a little out of hand.
Okay, I'm done. I'm done with this canoe. So we found blueberries. We're at an island
Yay, Katrina!
on Slender, and Katrina's picking bloobs for us.
Oh wait, we're floating away.
Oh, we're floating away.
Guys, we did it. We made it.
Let's go.
Cameron, you did your first cousin's canoe trip. What do you have to say?
I loved it.
Let's go.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see.
Okay, so new plan. We're gonna see if we can support the local economy. Fletcher and Amron have gone down this road to to say hi to Rick to see if he'll bring us our 3 loaded canoes over. It's time. We'll just lean hard this way.
Yeah.
We're getting lifted over, boys.
Yeah, we'll be up next weekend.
Here we go.
I don't know if you guys are.
Oh yeah, we're good.
Oh yeah, I got tire right here.
Let's go. We're moving. Whoa. Oh. We made it. Wow. Here we go.
It's definitely bending in the middle of the canoe.
Definitely my highlight.
Thank you.
I was supposed to flip you, but you got me too excited. I want to get a picture of you guys on.
Wave
Do you
everybody.
guys mind if I put that on my page?
Oh, go for it.
I feel like I'm at the emo fair.
Classic Rick.
Mom and Dad didn't see us going over.
Easy.
I'm not sure what was harder, the mile-long one or this one.
Oh, I see Dad's feet in the window.
Move in on Dad's feet.
There's Dad's feet. Hi, Dad's feet. Oh, there he is.
There's Dad.
Hi, Dad. Hi, Dad.
Hello, future us. This is your past selves, 6 of you, and I are the 7th. This is Uncle Herb, Auntie Liz, or Mom and Dad. Got our gear, not in the canoes. Hello, future us. We have arrived. We paddled all the way here with the ropes. There's Fletcher's brain.
We're back at the cabin. I feel warm in the sun. What's going on over here?
Fletcher's crying.
Shoot.
No.
At this point, you just have to
She got her.
go.
Thank you. Ready?
Whoa!
It's nice to have a wife-size pickup. Pickup that is a wife that is pickup size. Somebody talk about what we were doing.
We ate food thanks to Mom and Dad.
There's.
And then
now we're
Fletcher
cleaning
made
up.
fun of me
Fletcher's
for not
washing
knowing.
Where Mexico was.
It's not geometry. What is it called?
Oh my word.
I don't know what the weight limit is, but we've certainly exceeded it.
We're going full speed. Laura's napping with my government checks. Thanks, Laura. The van is all loaded up, and Tim is going up without us because the van has bad shocks.
We are all loaded up in the Golden Eagle. We made it, everybody. Thank you for coming along with us.
This tire's bolder than Kyle.
Looking forward to CCT 6.
Okay, everybody say goodbye.
Goodbye.